Hello guys, welcome back to Writing Practices, your go-to channel for mastering the art of professional and effective letter writing. Today we're exploring how to write a request letter for an ATM card, a vital tool for modern banking that simplifies accessing funds and performing transactions. In this tutorial, we'll carefully follow a provided template, breaking down each section step by step while keeping the exact order of elements intact. We'll use examples directly from the template to ensure clarity. Let's dive in and craft a clear and professional request letter together. Sender's information. As with any formal letter, we begin with your personal details at the top of the page. This includes your full name, address, email address, and phone number. For example, your name, your address, city, state, zip code, email address, phone number. This section serves as an introduction, immediately informing the recipient who is making the request and providing your contact details. Always ensure this information is accurate and up to date, as the bank might need to reach out to you. Date. Directly beneath your personal details, include the date on which you're writing the letter. This small detail is important for record keeping and sets the timeline for your request. For instance, you might write December 5th, 2024. Recipient's information. Next, we address the recipient. In most cases, this will be the bank manager or the relevant department at your bank. The recipient's information includes their name or title, such as bank manager, the bank's name, branch address, and location. An example format would be recipient's name or bank manager, bank name, branch address, city, state, zip code. Adding this ensures your letter is directed to the correct person or department, which is key for efficiency. Subject line. A concise subject line follows, summarizing the purpose of the letter. For example, request for issuance of ATM card. This helps the recipient understand the purpose of your letter at a glance, ensuring your request is processed without delay. Salutation. Before diving into the main content, add a polite salutation. You might address the recipient by name if it's known, or use a general greeting such as Dear Sir or Madam. This sets a respectful tone, which is essential in professional correspondence. Opening paragraph. The opening paragraph introduces the purpose of your letter. For instance, I am writing to request the issuance of an ATM card for my account held with your esteemed bank. My account details are as follows. This section is short and to the point, stating your intention and signaling the start of the request. The reference to your account ensures the recipient knows exactly whose records they need to review. Account details. The next section provides the key account information necessary for the bank to process your request. This includes account holder's name, your full name, account number, your account number, branch name, branch name. These details are crucial because they enable the bank to locate your account quickly. Always double-check for accuracy, as errors here could lead to delays in processing your request. Reason for request. Following this, explain why you're requesting an ATM card. For example, the ATM card will greatly facilitate easy access to my funds and allow me to conduct transactions such as withdrawals, deposits, and payments without visiting the branch. This adds context to your request, showing the bank why the card is important for you. While concise, it should convey the practical need for the ATM card. Offer of assistance. Next, you demonstrate your willingness to assist in the process. For instance, if required, I am happy to visit the branch to complete any formalities or provide any additional documentation needed to process my request. Please let me know if there are any applicable fees or forms I need to fill out. This shows your cooperation and readiness to follow through, which can encourage prompt action from the bank. Request for timely issuance. Here you politely request a quick resolution and specify how you'd like to be informed. For example, I kindly request that the card be issued at your earliest convenience and notify me when it is ready for collection or dispatched to my registered address. You may contact me at your phone number or your email address for any further details or clarification. This emphasizes the importance of timely processing while providing the recipient with a clear way to contact you. Closing paragraph. As you wrap up, express gratitude for the recipient's time and attention. For instance, thank you for your assistance. I appreciate your prompt attention to this matter. This leaves a positive impression, reinforcing the respectful and professional tone of the letter. Sign-off. Conclude with a formal sign-off such as sincerely, followed by your full name. For example, sincerely, your full name. This adds a polished finish to the letter and serves as your signature of approval. Attachments. If required, mention any attachments you've included, such as a copy of your identification or account proof. These documents help the bank verify your identity and process your request efficiently. And that's it. A complete guide to writing a request letter for an ATM card. By following this structured approach and using the template as a guide, you can ensure your letter is clear, professional, and effective. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on writing practices. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more practical writing tips and templates. I'll see you in the next video. Happy writing!